Beautiful Sunday morning. We're just finishing up with the holiday Thanksgiving weekend. Hope everybody had a nice turkey day. Anyway, just finished removing my zero clearance fireplace yesterday. My sister's boyfriend was here. I decided to take advantage of him being here and have him give me a hand ripping the old thing out, and it was nice to have two people to accomplish that task. Why am I replacing the fireplace? Well, the two fireplaces in this house, well, there's one of them now, they are what's called zero clearance fireplaces, and they're original to the house. Zero clearance meaning that there is zero clearance required between the fireplace itself and combustible materials. So the problem with these fireplaces is that they put off no heat. They're practically 0% efficiency. And I spend a lot of money on heat, a lot of money on oil rather every year, and it's just something that's always bothered me because I have plenty of wood around here. I like to split wood, I like to stack wood, it's just something in my blood. I like to burn wood, but with these zero clearance fireplaces, they produce no heat, so I've decided to pull the trigger on an 80% efficiency zero clearance fireplace. This is a modern unit. This is, this meets 2020 EPA standards, but the BTU output is astronomical. I think it puts out between 80 to 100,000 BTUs. So this should be plenty of heat, and this should drastically cut down on my oil bills, which, of course, I'm really trying to cut back on and spend thousands of dollars a year on oil. House is actually pretty decently sized. But anyway, here is the zero clearance fireplace unit. Get this camera in focus here. So that's it. It's just basically an inner box, and there is a circulating fan in this unit, which really never worked well from the start. Anyway, there's some circulating fans down here in these vents, and it really was supposed to pull air from the bottom up here, circulate it, and spit it back out at the top. And in theory, it does put out a little bit of heat, but there's quite a few issues with this. Well, quite a few reasons, rather, why it is inefficient. First off, these doors. There were glass doors. I actually salvaged them to use on the other fireplace, as well as the screen doors that came with this. But the glass doors had huge air gaps. So what's important when it comes to efficiency of fireplaces, you want to be able to control the oxygen flow into the firebox, because that way you can control the burn rate. So you're not burning through your fuel faster than you should, and then have all that heat waste go up and out the chimney. That is what a zero clearance fireplace from the 90s looks like. Yeah. Anyway, this new unit is supposed to be coming in the next couple weeks. I think they said it was probably going to be about 3 weeks out before they got it in, and I am going to have them professionally install it. It's not to say that I can't install it, but I mean, these guys install fireplaces every day. They know what they're doing. They understand the fire codes, this and that, and I think it just takes a little bit of liability off my shoulders, God forbid something were to ever happen. So I'm just gonna bring you along the way, every step of the journey here. It's really exciting, something that I've always wanted, and we'll see what happens. So yeah, 2 weeks to come in, drop it in, and then from there I do plan to do the stonework myself. So that'll definitely be a fun project, which I don't think I'm going to do it right away, do it later on down the road, maybe sometime in the summer or springtime when it's a bit warmer out. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will keep you posted. I'll try and set up a time lapse of when these guys come in to install the unit.